God doesn't change, but He is a dynamic agent of change among His people and all of creation. Those who follow Jesus Christ are those who have been changed themselves. They are also being changed, and they will yet be changed, ever growing in Christ's likeness for His glory and our benefit and the benefit of anyone that we touch. In Thessalonica, the followers of Jesus Christ, His disciples and their disciples, were known as the people who were turning the world upside down. Be known as the people who are turning the world upside down. Now, it may not make you the most popular people all the time with all the folks. But when we move in the power of God, things happen.